Well, this is a bit of a moment of truth. So I have the crankshaft installed in the right hand crankcase. This is the cam drive shaft. You have to make sure that you get the correct conrod going to the correct cylinder. So that conrod, the right hand conrod, is for the front cylinder. The left hand conrod is for the rear cylinder or vertical cylinder, whatever you want to call it. Because of course the cylinders are offset from each other, so you've got to make sure you're that right. I have my fully shimmed up gearbox in place. It's in neutral position at the moment. Selector drum is able to turn. Selector forks are in the correct grooves. All the correct shims are in. So this gearbox is a known thing in terms of shims. All the shims in the right position, so no need to touch that. Same with the cam drive shaft. That's all shimmed up. In fact, all the shims are in that side between the shoulder on the shaft and the bearing. And I've done some quick calculations. So I have put the crankcase gasket onto the left hand side, and the left hand side is the one that has the dowels. The right hand side has the dowel holes. So Ducati really wanted to make this as awkward as possible, so they should have had the dowels on this crankcase, and then you put the gasket on this crankcase, but oh no. So what I've done is I've actually glued the crankcase just now down using a small amount of RTV silicone. Now what I've got to make sure I do now is this bridge here for the rear cylinder, the vertical cylinder, I have to cut that bridge before I put it on this crankcase half, because the conrod will break it. So another bloody great move from Ducati. And I'm doing this as per they say in the book, so I think they've got it wrong. I think the dowel should be in that half, and then you can put the gasket on that half and then just lower that down, but anyway, it's too late now to do anything about it. So I measured my gasket, comes out at 0.3 mil. I had a 0.1 mil end float, if you remember. So I've now, without any shims in on this side, so now I've put 2.2 shims to make 0.4, which should come out round about right for the 0.3 gasket. So I had a 0.1 clearance, 0.3 gasket, 0.1 plus 0.3 is 0.4. I put 0.4 shims in there. So now is the moment of truth when I put it on.